it started with the gas company changed the gas meter on in my place. By the way, this is my rental property, right? So this is brand new. So while he was here, he inspect everything, the gas line, everything, right? And he said everything is good. And until he reached the water heater, right? So he said, he left a note to me that he said, I got backdrafting in my water heater. See, when it's light, so the fume is when the water heater works, the fume is going this way. He said that I got backdrafting in a water heater. So when the water heater works, the fume is going inside, going toward inside the house. So it was dangerous for because of carbon monoxide, and he turned off the water heater, right? So he said that my chimney over here is dirty, need to be cleaned. So because of that, I called cleaning chimney company, right? So he came down here, he inspect everything, and he said that, oh, your chimney, he said he has better way to do it. The chimney is not to be clean. So he gonna put stainless steel pipe from the chimney up there, go down here to connect it to this 3 inches pipe, right? Stainless steel. So in the future, I don't need to worry about my chimney anymore. That's what he said. And so, by the way, this chimney is connected to this big pipe. So this is from my furnace, from my furnace, right? But the furnace is not used for more than 10 years right now. So I just leave it like this, right? So we continue it that he said that the price to put the stainless steel pipe down here to connect it here is 2,400, right? But I got the paper, but unfortunately I've already threw it away. So 2,400 is a lot of money. So I'm thinking about something else to resolve the problem, right? So finally I'm thinking about put a fan. Yeah. It was like this, right? Originally it's like this. So I cut it this long, right? I cut it this long, and I put the fan here. I put the fan here, and to this side, on this side, I put aluminum tape here, and on this side I don't put anything because the film going that way anyway. Okay? And the good thing about this this fan is it got speed control, right? It got speed control, and I just put it on like this, and put on a very low speed. So maybe you can hear the fan is working. Here's the sound. The sound over here is working. Make a sound. Hear it? All right. So right now we tested. See, right now the flame is going to the pipe. See. See. So this is how I resolve the backdrafting, because when I got this problem, I take a look at YouTube how to resolve it, but I cannot find any video how to do it. So that's why. But you can please leave me a comment on the below if I make mistake or something. Please let me know. I'm gonna appreciate that, and I'm gonna correct that. By the way, this is what I bought at Amazon, right? See this 3 inches fan, and they got speed control. Right? But I don't need to put it all the way. I just put on the minimum, right? And by the way, this fan is good because it's only 6 watt or something, right? It's only 6 watt to take the power, only 6 watt, and this on the min, maybe I don't know, should be used less than 6, I think. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching.